When you look at the man in the mirror, you must see the man that you want to be, or you must see the potential to be the man that you want to become. See, there is a fine line between wanting to achieve the success that someone has and wanting to be in their position. If you are looking around at other men, envying them, or wishing that you could be them, then you have internal issues that need to be addressed immediately, or you will forever wallow in the mediocre mindset that has you underachieving in every facet of life. Viewing other men's success as a motivation to achieve your own is perfectly fine. It is recommended, actually. You have to surround yourself with successful people and only invest your thought processes into the logical, reasonable assessment of the steps it takes to achieve that success. You cannot allow yourself to view your own situation as one that you can't overcome while looking enviously at other men's success. If you want to be something other than what you are now, begin today. Improve yourself. It's not going to be an overnight process. Improve yourself gradually in every way. Improve yourself physically. I had a subscriber ask me, what's more important, your gear or your physicality, your body condition? And my response was, they go hand in hand. The better shape your body's in, the less you have to worry about your gear, because if you're lean and ripped up, you look good in anything. You owe it to yourself. You never know when you're going to be out somewhere and get into a mishap with some young knuckleheads. Now, what do you look like not being able to hold your own physically because they're younger than you? Unless you're 80, 90 years old, that shouldn't be the case. And I know most of you aren't 80, 90 years old. Most of you motherfuckers ain't even 50 or 60. What I'm saying to you guys is you have to make improving yourself the priority in your life. Even when you feel like you've gotten to where you need to be, you still have to keep trying to improve in every facet of your life. You owe it to yourself. Stop focusing on women. Stop focusing on money. Stop focusing on any of the materialistic, worldly things that men have been programmed to focus on. Focus on improving yourself. If you improve yourself intellectually, you will fall into the money. If you improve yourself physically, you will fall into the quality of women that you love to be involved with. If you improve yourself spiritually, you will find yourself not being around those who provide nothing but negative energy. You will draw in positive thinkers. You can't look at the end result without looking at the process. And the process to every level of success that you want to achieve is to focus on improving yourself. Nothing else matters. You have to become the best man you can be in order for you to exercise any type of control in your life. Until you start to do that, you'll forever be on this roller coaster where you're doing good and then you're not doing good. You're achieving things and then you're not achieving things. You don't have to be on that roller coaster where you're going up and down in life, seeing success, seeing failure, seeing success, seeing failure. Once you accomplish success, you have to do the things necessary to hold on to it, to continue to be successful. You cannot allow your mindset to change just because you attain some level of success. You have to remember that what got you there is what will keep you there. You have to keep your nose to the grindstone, man. You cannot lose focus on the process just because you begin to achieve the result. They say life is short. That's bullshit. Life is long and it's arduous. Every day is made up of many tedious tasks. But those tasks become less tedious if you focus on improving yourself. Everything you want to achieve and the process of making it easier is based on improving yourself. I don't know how much I can reiterate this to you guys to make you get it into your skull that improving yourself every day is the only thing that matters in this life. Focus all of your energy on improving yourself, and everything else will fall into place. You don't have to pursue anything if you focus all of your energy on improving yourself and avoiding every single thing that's detrimental to that process, anything that's contrary to that process, any person who's adversarial to that process. Eliminate them and only incorporate things into your life that enhance your ability to improve yourself. You should see vast improvement of your life every year. I'm not talking about every decade. I'm talking about every single year. That's 365 days that you have to improve your life. If you can't improve your life in 365 days, then you're doing the wrong things. Focus on your physical health first. That gives you the alpha confidence you need. Being alpha is physical first. You can't be physically weak and be alpha. That's not how the universe works. So improve yourself physically. And as you improve yourself physically, you will improve yourself psychologically, because all of the things that improve you physically improve you psychologically. Improving yourself physically has psychological benefits that you won't know until you improve yourself physically. Then you focus on enhancing yourself spiritually. There are things that you are doing in your life that you know aren't right. Stop doing those things. Allow positive energy to enter your environment, to enter your life by eliminating negative energy. But the tough part is, once you attain some level of success, not allowing that success to cloud your judgment and cause you to fall back into those old habits that you work so hard to rid yourself of. And I know this is a lot, but it's only a lot because you've been assing around, not focusing on improving yourself for so long. So now you're thinking from the mindset where you have to improve all of this at once. You can't, but focus on improving yourself. If you are not improving yourself every day, it's only a matter of time before your ups become downs. Improve yourself starting today.